Well, the reason why we replaced the shower was because we didn't have enough room in the old one. And I just needed more room, and I was really tired of looking at it the way that it was. Well, the reasons that we chose Allstate was basically because we liked the way that the sales lady talked to us, the things that she said, and the cost of what it was. Oh, we're so totally satisfied with their installation. They were quick, they were clean, and when they left, we had a fantastic shower. I would recommend Allstate to have this done in their home if they wanted it for whatever reason. The work is quick, they're clean, they're good.